What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game The 100 Line Last Defense Academy on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and we will quickly search up the game The 100 Line Last Defense Academy. Once you've found it, select it. After that, scroll a little bit down. There is a free demo available, but we would like to download the full game. And on Steam it is quite expensive, €59.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, The 100 Line Last Defense Academy, and search for it. After that, select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now there are two things you need to watch. The first thing is that this game can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. And of course search for a PC version. Now once you have found one, then select it, and after that we will open the game page. Now as you can see, we can already purchase this game for just €32.14 compared to the price on Steam of €59.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. And as you can see, if we purchase this game through this website, you will receive a Steam key to activate this game through Steam, but much cheaper. So you are able to download it on your PC. There is also an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, so it is very easy to download this game through Steam. Now, after that, hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!